Paychex Flex is a comprehensive cloud-based platform designed for payroll, human resources, and benefits management. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use it effectively. Access Paychex Flex. Sign up or log in. Visit Paychex Flex and log in with your credentials. If you're new, create an account using the details provided by your employer. Mobile access. Download the Paychex Flex app for Android or iOS to manage tasks on the go. Key features. Payroll management. Navigate to the Payroll tab to view pay stubs or manage payroll. Review detailed information about earnings, deductions, and tax contributions. Time and attendance. Track hours worked and submit timesheets via the time management section. Request time off directly in the system and monitor approval statuses. Benefits management. Access the Benefits tab to enroll in or modify insurance plans, retirement savings, and other benefits. HR features. Update personal information such as your address or direct deposit details in the employee profile section. Support tools. Access training materials or FAQs within the platform. Use the help or contact support option for troubleshooting.